Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to log in into the Deutsche Bank mobile app quickly and securely using your phone. First, unlock your smartphone. Now, find and tap the Deutsche Bank mobile app icon. After that, wait a few seconds for the app to fully open. Then, on the login screen, you'll see a field asking you for your login ID or username. Carefully type in your login ID. Then, make sure there are no typing mistakes. Next, enter your PIN or password within the same password field. Ensure it is correct because multiple wrong attempts may temporarily lock your access. Then, after entering your details, tap on the login button. The app will now securely verify your information. Sometimes the app may ask for extra verification. This could be a fingerprint, Face ID, or a confirmation code. Complete the verification to continue. Once verified, you'll be successfully logged in. Now you can check your balance, send money, and manage your account. If you forgot your login or ID PIN, tap on the Forgot Login Details and follow the instructions to reset it. That's it. This is how you log in into the Deutsche Bank mobile app. If this helped you, do not forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple banking tips and tech fixes, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.